Hello YouTube too, normally. Hello people, hello everyone. And we are going to continue. Yeah, we're just going to continue. I like to have, well, I'm going to show you anyways. I'm just making sure that the stream is starting on YouTube, and it is. So let me just boop boop boop. That's better. Boom, let's go. So we have that, all of these things, and we have basically the most important tasks, which are these ones. I'd like to start with this one because I want to polish the main gameplay part first. So let's probably go that, and after that we are going to be able to do the rest, I guess. Or maybe I can try to set up the scenes and stuff so that Kuro, our artist, can, you know, start putting some assets and stuff. So make one track per music. Okay, so for that I have to go in abstract track, get bit timings. So yeah, right now I have that basically. I think I still want my abstract thing, my inheritance. So I think I'm going to put a map instead in this one. That sounds good. But since it will be a map, that means that this function is going to take a parameter. This function is going to have the type, so type, customer type resource, customer type, that's it. 1, 2, yeah, okay. So now we can get that. So for the procedural one, it's not going to change anything because it's good for test purposes anyways. And for this one, basically we are going to replace that to a dictionary. Yep. So yeah, we have the save and stuff. So I should be able to get bit timings. I guess it's a dictionary of what? Oh yeah, you can't set the type. Yeah, that. I mean, that's fine. That's fine. I can even remove that. And bit timings. Actually, let's create a new asset. Because I think it's fine to keep things like that. Well, there's just going to be a problem somewhere right now. Yep. So there, start. Regenerate offsets. Why is it even here? Yeah, that shouldn't be here. Set stage, that should be in here. Boom. Now we can call that here. We have can remove that, so that's even better. Base offset. Yeah, okay, you understand now. Yeah, you understand what why I did that now. Because I don't want the base offset to be in this class. Let's go back in this one. So yeah, the offset one is actually not great. Can I offset? I actually want to change that maybe. So am I even using regenerate music manager dot offsets? Yeah, and offsets that's this one, and I can add basically here. But I mean, I don't need that. Basically, it's offset al current offset equal that. But I guess it has to be prepared. Tricky. Wait, what? Timing and timing with offset? It's the same thing. Why is that? Wait, what? What? What's the deal? Yeah, there's a problem with this one. I just realized. I just realized. I'm not even using that for now. Yeah, that's why I didn't see the problem before. Okay. So now that's a fix, I guess. And we have offsets. Yeah, the problem is that if I don't set it beforehand... Okay. Never mind. Current. Well, let's have... Next offset, it's a float. And it's maybe minus 2.7. Next offset. And if it is cold, then we have compute another offset here. So now in this one, regenerate, I don't need that. I don't need that. I need the types, I guess. Well, I don't really need that either, do I? With timings. Because I have the track. So I'm just playing the track. Track. And play track. New. Track equals new track. So we have that. Bit timings is not declared. The best viewers are already here. Thank you. Hmm. What about... So bit timings, we already have that. That's already an ad. Oh, so 12 minutes. Mid timings. Track that's get bit timings. Okay, so now that should be all right. But now I have to call that. And now I need the type. Yeah, I guess, I mean, I could have said that in the... I feel like I'm breaking the things a little. Let's have current type. I think that's alright to have that. Current customer type. And here. So now I have to set that. I have to set that, and it's going to be with the gameplay scene on customer enter start. I have music manager dot that equals customer dot type dot resource dot type. Oh. Oh. Music to play. I guess I don't even need that because it's depending on the track, right? Wait, what am I even saying? Ah, never mind. No, okay. Well, actually, set new type. I should have a function set new type. Set new customer type. Okay. Boom. Here we go. And now... And now when we set the new customer type, we... well, set it, I guess. New customer type. But also... we have the new music to play from the track that we already have. Boom. So we get the music, and now we can just play. Good. And now we have the new track too. I guess. I hope it's not going to be desynchronized enough. Okay, so we have something, but I don't know if it's working well or not. And no, because yeah, okay. Because right now it's just we just have this type. So track and multi-track maybe. Maybe I should just call that multi-track. Let's just push that for now. So tracks now supporting the type to switch on this, I guess. And yeah, the next offset should be changed in the gameplay scene. But anyways, so we have that. We have, what do we have? Yeah, multi-track. That's all right. Multi-track. So this is a dictionary. And instead we are going to have that's customer type. Probably. So this is from that to that, maybe. Probably. Go get assets path. And it gets path from resource. Hey, that was simple. That was simple. So bit timings. We have the timing. Well, I guess it's a dictionary instead now. And ooh, so we have the timing, so we get, what should we do? So dic is a dictionary. So for key in bit timings, we have dic so if key is type resource key dot get scripts dot get Yeah, I guess that's a problem actually. Oh, you have some new things. Oh, never mind. Random idea, this way. Things started to jump more and more. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Or at least have some feedback on having a combo streak going. Yeah, yeah, yeah. But regardless of combo, I think some visual element of a beat going could help. Not sure if it's in the environment or the people bobbing their heads to the beat or just UI effect around the button circles or whatever. Mm-hmm. I think it's in the realm of the juiciness. Um, so maybe I should make a new channel for that. Because I feel like I'm mostly the one who's gonna take care of that. So we have the script. What about get path? Variant. Okay. So now get path. And we should get what we want. But the problem is that it's a script. That's not really nice. Well, it's more that ideally I'd like to have a custom thing. Customer type resource. Uh, I mean, for now, let's just do that. To do custom type. And we are going to assign bit timings. Okay. So instead we have that. And then, whoop, here we go. We don't even need this part. So now if I try to run, not this one, but this scene. Yes, updates. I mean, I'm setting the new track, so track. Regenerate offsets. Yeah, I don't even need that anymore. In placing track. So it's more like music manager. Oh, that's music manager track. I mean, it's just play at this point. Set new track. We have the new track. And that means we have to reset all of that. But I guess this is only if we play. So we can have this here. And set new track. Now that should be better. Yeah, so I guess it's not, there's no bug at all, that's good. Record, maybe? Boop, 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 boop. Stop recording. Save. New track, okay. Let's check that. Yes, I know. It's because this is a track and right now I want a multi-track. I mean, I could just copy that and do stuff, but let's just do things directly here. So pushback, yeah, this is a dictionary. Oh wait, there's another commit, I didn't say that. Oh, that's me. Never mind. I like to do that in less than 1 hour, ideally. So let's just go a bit faster. How is it called? It's a button. Menu button? Pop-up menu. Drop down. I think it's this one. I don't really understand the difference, but yeah, no, this is a drop down. Well, this is a pop-up, this is a drop down. So we have this one. Current type. Current type. Drop down. It's not, it's an option button. So now that I have that, I can get the current type somewhere. Current customer type. Oh, that's... I hate that. Yeah, there's going to be some problems, but that's alright. Because the editor works differently from as a game, but that's alright. I mean, maybe not actually. No, maybe not. I can just modify the level, the stage settings. Yeah, I can just modify the stage settings. That should be alright. So current customer type. This is it. And this is bit timings that push back. Well, like that. Bit timings. Regenerate from UI. There. So I guess I can redo everything here. And new track is supposed to be another track. Yeah. So this is actually multi-track. Cannot assign a value of track to... Yep. Yep. And I can even... Never mind. Assign, not working. Base director, okay. Yeah, that makes sense. But I have other errors to fix right now. So this one is actually good. And it should actually be working. So that's good. Yeah. Oh. Okay, yeah, that should actually be working. And bit. This one. As track timing, regenerate track UI. Yeah. Current. I don't have. Wait, what? Anyways, that thing. Timing. We put that. And bit timings. I think that's all actually, so that should be working. And now we can't parse that because of this thing. Because right now we are saving stuff the correct way. But yeah, because this is this shouldn't be an array, this is a dictionary. This is serialized bit timings. And then we have what do we have actually? Can I actually just have abstract track here? Like, is it going to work? Track dot bit timings. I mean, I can just use a get, I guess. Or like clear. Like get bit timings. Boom. Push back. Okay, maybe let's stay like that. For now. So, multi-track. I mean, that could be better, but okay, that's fine. Let's just do it for the multi-track. For now. So we have the dictionary. So for each value, we have a key in the dictionary. Bit timings array. That is this stuff. And then, so we have the array, we have the key. And now we just have that. So we need to load, basically, the script, I guess. Yeah. So the key. That dot assign. I think that's it. I think that's it. Now that should be alright. And it's in 40 minutes. Invalid access. Read timings on bus. No. Yes, because it's a multi-track. Current customer. Boom. What now? Track 1. Yeah, it's not a multi-track. I mean, why can I even... Why is it not set to null? Multi-track test, basically. Multi-track. So now bit timings. So the key is, for example, this object to an array. So we have this one to what? To an array of floats. But I mean, that's alright if there is nothing. So add. Wait, it's supposed to be an array. But you can't make an array of... Oh, you can. You can. Never mind. So this is just an array of 0. Then we have the new one. These two. This is an array. Where is array? Why is it not in alphabetical order? Array. Add. Type 3. And this is already an array. Good. So now we should have all of the resources. Yep, we do have that. Good. So we do have that. Okay. Actually, so this is test. multi-track test, and that means I should be able to set that. Yep. Okay. If I space, it's not adding anything. There's no error. It's because of the selection, I guess. So current customer type. Yeah, okay. So let's current customer type. It's a punk, okay. So that should add to the punk thing. So in the ready, for example, we should have, well, actually, be here. Gameplay scene, current, no. It's just music manager does. Current customer type equal. Current customer type. Yes. So what happens if I press a button? A new value to track. Oh, because I have to record. Yeah, I forgot to record. And now it's adding values. So that's actually fine. That's actually working. Stop. Start. Trying to return an array of type array when expecting array float. I mean, you're doing that on purpose. Types. Array. 2, 2, 2, 2. So that's dot assign. Boom. And now we just return, well, actually, types array. Here we go. I like the music. So record. Boop, 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 boop. Stop. Wait, what? So this is punk. Is anything going to happen? No, because that's the wrong guy. So that's kind of working. But I should just... Yeah, now he's not leaving because he's not the correct type. So it has to do with the stage settings. So with that, basically. So ready, I can generate customer type option button, and Basically, I guess I should load everything. Load every type. So anyway, add, what's item? Label and ID. Oh, so that's like the position. The item index will be used. What? Text label. New items are appended at the end. Oh, okay, yeah, never mind. Yeah, okay. Yeah, I mean, I don't really care about that. I don't even understand why there is this here. That makes sense. So add item. This is supposed to be a string. And we basically have, well, for example, let's go up. All types, well, all customer types. An array of customer type resource. Oop. So now I can go down and for type in dash customer type. I have that dot name, I guess. And names should be unique. So we add the item. And I guess I have to clear the items at the beginning. Clear all the items. Yeah, that's it. Okay. And then we on item focused, item selected. It's when I select. So item selected, connect item index, well, index. Then I have the type because it's just this thing index, customer type. So now that we have the type, what? Okay, customer type resource, my bad. So now that we have that, we basically have current customer type, I guess. Yeah. Current customer type. So we can change that. And maybe regenerate all of these things. Regenerate track UI. Yeah. Boom. Hmm. Well, it's more like set new customer type. I guess it should be a setter function. What I mean. That's all right. Customer type resource. So we have that is equal, and we have regenerate, and we have music manager. We set that. We set everything. Boom. Expected parameter. No. And that should be all right. That should be all right. Can I try? Yeah, no, I need different customers. 3. So what? What? Wait, what? Customer. Oh, types. 1, 2, 3. Viva. That's not working. Because I'm never calling that function. Okay, so now I have different things. And when I hate that. I want to remove the selection. So space. Well, record. And now if I go into another one, okay, this is saved well. And now when I record this one, it's still. I hate that. That's a selection. I hate it. So anyways, we do have that, and what happens if I just I'm going to save it. Load. Yeah, the load is not working. But I think the save is working, which is already very good progress in 1 hour. It's a new track too. Oh, it's actually not saving the. Oh, that's interesting. Customer type resource. Wait, what? Oh, that's stupid. Yes, 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 yes. That's a bit stupid. Limited access. What are you talking about? I mean, yeah, this is what? Serialize bit timings array. That is wrong. This is multi-track. Oh, never mind. No, this is true. I get that. Then I loop. I get this thing. Bit timings, dictionary. And oh, I actually don't have. Okay. I mean, this is supposed to be an array. A float. I mean, an array. How can I make a new array? Well, I mean, I. That assign. Yeah, that's kind of. I mean, I can just equal, right? Like just an equal would be alright, I think. And the problem is that right now, if I look into this file, I actually don't have any float. So it's not even saving properly right now. Customer type resource. Because, well, one thing is that it's not this thing. So key. Customer type resource. So I should be able to get the path, maybe? Go get resource type. Here you'll find two of my answers. Get script. Get type of. I mean, you can get the path of a scene, right? So can you get resource path? That's what he wants. So this is edited scene root dot file name. So this is related to the file, not a resource or anything like that. That's tricky. Go to resource. This one. So itineraries from ref counted objects. Yes, so let's. If there is a path. That was just that resource path. Oh, that was so simple. I just had to look here. Resource name. So let's boom. Do that. Timings. That should be alright, I hope. So let's record. It's fine. Stop. Well, this is to save. Discard. And now that looks good. That's what I want. So now if I close, if I load, I think my sound designer is actually modifying the JSON directly. So maybe I do want something more clean. Anyway, load. Now that's working. If I start, I mean that's going to be really long. Yeah, now it's still random, so I still have to do that. Multi-track. I just want to stringify. indent. So let's just put that. So what I'm gonna do is just load the file, this one, boop. I have a lot, and now I'm going to save it again. And if I check, boop, now it's really clean. And I'm sure he's going to love that. He's going to love that. So what I can do is which one is it? Track this one. I can just copy all of that and put it in new track 2. Poof. Poof. Now I can save. Well, load, I mean. I can load the 2. I can save it back. And now it's really clean. Look at that. Incredible. Incredible. So, yeah, I'm kind of happy I have that. I mean, I can even test that now. So 2, for example, well, let's load. Let's start. So this one is not the correct one, actually. I said it wasn't the correct one. Yeah, this is really bad. I just want to unselect that, remove the focus, but I can't. I mean, maybe I'm just going to add another key here. For example, V or D. Or actually, F is good. Okay. It's actually the same music, so it should be. It just changed. Okay, so I think that's alright. I'm just going to push that since it seems like it's alright. So what's project that could... Oh, that's because of the input, right? Scripts. I have some temporary file, assets, tracks. Interesting. Let's remove this thing. Let's see, it's track editor. Yes. New track 2. Wait, I modified this. Okay. both new track and... Oh yeah, I guess I did. Yeah, you just have to add tracks, multi-track test. Wait. Multi-track tests. Oh no, never mind. That's alright. That's just a base thing. So actually just add assets and multi-track support added in the editor. And now I'm just going to lock the type of the customer in the editor. What's that? Oh, that's myself. That's because I submitted something new. Okay. Yeah, that's useful, I guess. Yeah, I did add some kind of Discord integration with the GitHub, with the webhook, but it's not really something big. So yeah, now that I have that, I want to set the stage settings. That's really important. So when I set the new customer type, I actually want to go in gameplay scene and have stage settings dot all potential customers. Yeah, I guess I do have the types too. What do I have in there? I don't have a lot of things. So all potential customers. I guess I can type probabilities modifications. Oh yeah, that one is. Yeah, that's totally the one I want. So this is 100% and minus, well, +1, -1, -1. Oof, that's saving me. So, type dot find current customer type. So this is type index. And basically now I have the modification. And I do that size. Well, I mean, that's just an array, like probas modif array of float for now. And for each one, I'm going to set that to 0, I guess. So type, well, for I in that size, we have that I equals -1. And we have that type index equals 1. Is it not working? Not declared. Yeah. Okay, is it good now? Like if I select this one, I hate the selection. Oh, now it's selecting something else. Why is that? Anyway. So 1, oh. Boom. So now it's always red. So it's actually working. It's actually working. It's just not doing stuff, I guess. 1, 2, 3, 4. Why is it stopping? Two. Well, I guess I have a limit to that. And I guess I don't want... Placing. Yeah, that's actually not really what I want. But that's... I mean, that's partly... Yeah, never mind. That's partly what I want. Now I just need something. Consecutive. So basically that. If that is higher. And that is higher than 0 or equal to 0. Well, if it is higher than 0. And now I guess I can just put that to 0. And put a comment, if 0 then doesn't, then never continues. I'll never go to the next customer. And that means in the editor, max consecutive QTEs, I can actually set that at the beginning. It's already. Gameplay scene, max, that's 0. Actually, I can even. So this is 4, but like, I can just modify it here. Boom, here we go. So record, start. Boom. So yeah, now it's staying forever, and that's good. I can even load a new track. Boom, and try. Wait, stop. Start. Wait, it's not the correct music. That's not the correct music. Wait, what? Oh. Actually, it is the correct music. Maybe. Yeah, it is the correct music. That's so good. That's so good. That's working so well. make a track, well, I guess track editor, the type is always going to be the customer is always going to be of the selected type and is going to stay forever, I guess. There's just, yeah, the problem with the selection. Yeah, I guess I can set that, well, fix that quite easily actually, because in here I can just remove the focus. Boom, here we go. Yeah, I know that works. I'm getting messages because of myself, because of the commits. So focus is removed from the type selector after selecting. After, well, selecting, yeah. Well, after item selection. And this is track editor. Boom. Boom. Push. Okay, and now that should be fine. And now I can tell my sound designer that everything is good. Yeah, I'm just going to open that on this computer and go transition. I'm just going to put some music for you. That isn't really peaceful. This is peaceful. So do. Just added the multi-track thing. You can modify that in the editor. I'll modify / test that in the editor, which is I have a deja vu. You can modify / test that in the editor. The save format is still JSON. You can check multi-track tests, I guess. No, new track 2. Yeah, new track 2. Well, new track. Well, I guess it is. You can check new track 2 for an example of the format. I also added indentation, since you modified JSONs directly, thought it would be more, well, easier for you, and, well, indents. And you don't have to respect the indents yourself. It's passing any valid JSON. You send it. No need to backline, or to add a backline after each value. Here it is. Oh! Thanks for the raid. Incredible. Hello. Let me come back here. And I convinced a big streamer to raid you. Oh, thanks! QB man, welcome! Hello! Hello! What are you up to? What did you do? How was the stream? Game Jam, yeah! Doing the Brackeys too? Yeah, the Brackeys. It's a bit late, as you can see here. So I was like, GMTK, Brackeys, big streamer, I feel like I already saw you before. Well, let me check out. Actually, let me give you a shout out. I mean, there's not really a lot of people right now, but here you go. And yeah, so basically making a rhythm game right now. I have some, well, I have some sketches from my artist, so it's supposed to look kind of like that in the end, maybe. And here one last Ludum there. Oh! A big streamer! My god. Wait. Yeah, I actually can't go on your channel because my internet connection is horrible with my other computer. Who did? Actually, I didn't. What are you saying? He's talking about me. I'm actually the one who won the last Ludum there. I'm just kidding. But yeah, and this is... Can I run? This is basically some kind of rhythm game. GMTK then. Oh. So that's it. I mean, everyone is a winner because everyone submits a game. If everyone is a winner, no one is a winner. Are you sure about that? But yeah, what's your itch.io? What's your game and stuff? And yeah, for context, right now, as you can see, since it's a rhythm game, I made an editor for, you know, building tracks myself. And I can basically save the tracks into a JSON, as you can see, and with the different timings. And that's it. And I can load that back, and that means you can potentially make your own thing too, you know. Since it's just a JSON, you can modify it and kind of mod things up. Even if there should be more. There should be more. I do want to do that with stages too. You're supposed to show your stuff, not asking Radar about their stuff. You're not wrong. You're not wrong. So... yeah, basically just an editor. But I just actually finished that, and that's why I had the screen, you know, that was hiding my screen. Because I was telling my sound designer that it was okay and that it was kind of finished. So now I can move that there because we are using GitHub projects for tasks. And I only have that left. So basically, on top of being a rhythm game that is kind of cute with the art of my artist, on top of that, it's also some kind of roguelike. It's a roguelike rhythm game. And now I'm gonna make the rhythm part. Well, the roguelike part. Sorry, so like a shop with items that are potentially procedurally generated, that kind of stuff. Procedural levels, that kind of stuff. I do have to take care of the money actually. And even before that, I have to finish the stats screen. So it's result screen. Let me modify that, result stats screen. And this is, boop, basically, you know, how well you did things. I actually don't know about the order. What do you think? Should like fail be on the left and excellent on the right? Or is it fine like that? Because I feel like there's some preferred order, but I don't know which one it is. Because in a way, since we read from left to right, that means excellent is the first thing we see. But that also means that fail is the last thing we see. And I'm not sure, but if we take the example of Osu Mania results screen, for example, this one, you can see that the best is at the top, so I would go the opposite order. But yeah, I was thinking if I also finish with the fail and start with the good thing. So I don't really know. Maybe I should make a poll. I don't know where, but somewhere. And yeah, basically right now I have that screen, I have the UI, but now well, actually, ideally we'd have to rework that because it's not really pretty, right? Like, it can be a lot better with art and stuff. So, anyways, we have that. Oh, I guess, yeah. Anyways, so we have that, and now we have to bind things up. So when in placing. I feel like it's not really good that we have that. Basically, right now we have the gameplay scene inside the track editor directly, and I'm thinking that may not be the best course of action. Maybe it should be like there should be a separated scene somewhere. But anyways, that seems to be working like that, so I won't complain. But it definitely feels like... Oh, actually, never mind. That should be good. 2, 2, 2, 2. Let's put some callback here on music finished. But I mean, it's looping, so I actually don't know if it can be finished. So like, finished. Emitted when a sound finishes playing without interrupts. What? Oh, yeah. Sound is not emitted when calling stop. when exiting the tree, while sounds are playing. Okay. So audio stream finished, loop. Yep, this one. May try storing the last value returned by gets playback position and compare it with the current one. Yep, I can do that. Get length. Yeah, this one is good too. Wait, what? What do you mean a lot of work? Oh no, never mind. Like it would also work. Never mind. Yeah, I don't know about this one because you have some delay with the audio buffer actually. If you check the stream player here. It is not always accurate. And it does not mix audio every processed frame, so that's why. Hey! Well, hey. What am I saying? There's still the frame from the raid, so I feel like there is some, you know, there are new people, but yeah, I get playback position. So this one is not really accurate. So I'm just gonna get the length, I guess, of that. So length, yeah, I can't actually get that because it's audio stream synchronized. So it's actually complicated. You just look at things. Boom. Which is the resolution? What do you want the general resolution of the art to be? Everything should be specified in each task already. Let me put my Pikachu face. And here we go. I actually don't know the end because with this thing... Wait, what? Yeah, I'm setting the new count. Yeah, never mind. That's fine. That's fine. That should be fine. So... But yeah, you can't get the length. Or maybe that's the length of the current... Well, the length of every track should be approximately the same, right? So I don't think it should be that much of a problem. I guess... Let me check back the documentation of Godot synchronized audio stream synchronized. If one of the substream loops, then playback will continue. Yeah, so there's going to be some delay with time. I mean, I guess the best thing is to have a duration, because the playback is not going to work, because it continues if it loops, maybe. So, so, so. So gameplay scene. So yeah, it should end after some time, but I think in gameplay scene I can do stuff. I can remove that. Yeah, I'm cleaning some things. And I think that's good. So setting the different callbacks, start potentially. We stop. So actually start and stop are pretty much the same. We stop and play the music, duty generator, never mind. It's kind of different still. Start customer enter, clear. Okay. Yeah, sorry, got distracted by my artist. So duration. Yeah. Duration equals maybe 30 seconds for now. And once it's finished, basically we have that. If it starts automatically, yeah, I mean, for now I'm just going to put that here, but I mean, yeah. So get 3 dot create timer. Well, game duration, I guess. So we await that. And after it's finished, we just load the result screen. But I guess we need a game manager for that. So I'm actually going to make a singleton, probably, to help with stuff. That might not be, I mean, it's good. Let's say it's good. If we say it's good, then, you know, it's going to be good. So let's say it's going to be something incredible out of that. Node. Is it a node? I guess it is. Yeah, because for the UI and stuff, maybe. So game manager. Globals. Let's make a prefab. Game manager. Boom. Here we go. And now I can even go into globals, select the path, prefab, game manager, add that. I should be able to access this thing whenever I want, which is really good. Which is really good. And now I can basically make transitions here. So we are going to have something like display result screen. display, well, result screen. What else? We have the shop thing. So that's a bit tricky. We don't even need that, to be honest. We don't even need that. We don't need that. Let me just remove that. I'm just too used to making this kind of stuff, but we don't need that. We can probably have scene, main menu, main scene, I guess. What should we do? What should we do? Yeah, maybe actually that was a good idea. Maybe that was a good idea. Maybe that was a good idea. Fox. I mean, I still have this one. Okay, and what about the screen? The script. I can save it, but it's not doing anything. Can I save? Save as script. I can. Okay. Res. What am I doing? Okay. Here we go. So let's say we have result screen. Let's add that. Control screen scripts result screen. Here we go. So now in the game manager, I should have the result screen, and I should even be above. I do have that. I can even put it here, basically. Canvas layer, result screen. I mean, yeah. Oh, actually, this is a scene. Boom, like that. With potentially, yes, the animation player. That's it. Appear. And, well, fade in, fade out, I guess. Well, never mind, because it won't necessarily be a fade in. So appear and disappear. Display result screen. End of statement. Yeah, it's a function. I'm getting tired. So this is visible false. Well, no. At the beginning it's false, so ready it is false. And when I display it becomes true. But like I can yeah, let's just have that. For now. So we have that, we have what do we have? We have the main menu that is loading the game. So maybe let's have that. Start game. And when we start, it is going to load gameplay. How am I calling that? Gameplay scene, yeah. Load gameplay scene. Play scene. So loading the gameplay scene will basically instantiate the scene. Gameplay scene prefab. Back scene. Is it? It's not. Go to reference to file by string, by path. Anyways, okay. Preload. That's not what I want. I mean, yeah, I guess I do want to preload though, but to put a default resource. But how is it called? A reference to resource ending with extension. Well, referencing a scene file. There's nothing. How can I find that back? What? I can't find that. Go to for reference. Well, export file. Exported properties. Yeah, I guess I'm going to find that here. So export group. Yeah, I guess that can be good. I've never used that, but export file. Yeah, this is the one I want. This is really good. Global file. What's that? String as a path to a PNG file in the global file system. Okay. But with using hints. That's so good. That's so good. I didn't know about that. Enums. Yeah, it's working, obviously. But we can... Oh! We can put specific enums. And values and stuff. That's good. Oh, so we can have a hint, an int and convert like an enum to the value directly, exporting array. That's so good, I didn't know about that. My god. That makes it so much better. So I probably want the export file. JSON. Oh my god! What? Wait, what? Export file? And you have an array of string? What? That's... What? That's so good. That's so good. So yeah, my JSON, I can actually do reference it and like the file directly without even. I guess it isn't that much of a news, but okay, yeah, never mind. I can just I'm just. It doesn't change much, but anyways, I guess it's just the lines of the JSON, but it's not really useful in my case. Progress. So now instead of having a JSON file for each, it's a main JSON file. Yes. Oh, what kind of game are you making? Hey! I'm making a rhythm game. So if you want it, it should look like that as in. And if you want to see a little bit, gameplay scene. Here we go. Oh, it's actually. Boom. There's some compilation errors. But yeah, just pressing things at the correct, with the correct timing. That kind of stuff. So it should be like a lot better at the end, JSON wise and stuff, but that's basically the concept. And well, it wasn't. Well, yeah, I guess. So now instead of having a JSON file for each, well, rather before there was a JSON file for, well, there was only, well, yeah. Yeah, I'm not going to explain myself. Yeah, he understands, I hope. So, okay, we have that. We'll add the gameplay scene. So yeah, now I actually have this thing. So this is supposed to be a string, I think. Yeah. Oh yeah, this... Okay. How weird. TSCN. This is a string. And I can set the default value to copy path. Boom, here we go. So this is not a prefab, this is a path. And I can just load that. Well, is it like that? Is it loading? I guess it is from a path. So then this is a packed scene. So gameplay scene, packed scene. Well, prefab. And I instantiate that. And that means I have my gameplay scene. And that means I can just load. Well, it gets 3 probably. And change scene to packed. Actually, yeah, actually I can just do that. But that means I don't have my new... I'm not getting my new scene like that. Good work, thanks. Thanks. I instantiate. Yeah. Let's just have a get 3 dots root dots add a child. We add the gameplay scene, which has a type. And now I have to remove the main menu. That's the problem. I have to remove the main menu, but I don't have a reference to the main menu. Complicated, isn't it? I guess I can just get 3 dot roots dot find child. Recursive, nope. So pattern is just main menu. And it is not recursive, and it is owned. I mean, I guess I can just remove the main menu before that. So start game, current scene, for example. Or can I actually... Yeah, never mind. I can probably just dot current scene. Yeah, okay, good, perfect. So I can Q3. And now I can set the gameplay scene as the new current scene. Simplified without setting this property directly may not work as expected, as it does not add or remove any nodes from this tree. I mean, it does work as expected. I'm not doing anything with that. Here we go. Oh, my internet connection is really bad. Sorry if I don't see the comments. Let me plug my phone back and share my internet connection and all of that. Okay, that should be better. Boom. Yeah, okay, that should be better. I hope. If you made files in the previous format, you can just copy paste the array at the correct place. Okay, gameplay scene. So now we have the gameplay scene, and with the gameplay scene, I want to set a game duration, maybe? Do I? Do I actually want that? Maybe not. Maybe I don't. Yeah, I actually don't want that. Game duration. So now let's await. And when tree does create timer does timeout. And now we can what can we do? Create timer. Yes, just go to the display result screen, basically. And now I have the two scenes, and I can do stuff with that. Because in the gameplay scene, I have... What do I have? What do I have? There's actually nothing in here. Generate QTE. There's actually nothing in there. So if I hit, it's generating right now. Oh, Twitch chat is dead. No, it's good again. Customer leave end. Wait, where is it? Ready? I actually don't know. Where it is. Okay, where? Oh, the player controller. That's where. Yeah, well, I forgot about this one. I do have the player controller, and when I press the key, then it's doing stuff, and we have the different results. And we also have the Qt generator. Well, we do have the results. We do have the results. And that is kind of important, I guess. So we should have a reference towards the player controller in here, but we don't. Player controller, we don't. We actually don't. Okay. Player game. Oh, I don't have it. I don't have the class name. Boom. Okay, so timing values seem to be right, but testing it is playing is earlier than supposed to. For reference, I loaded up the new track to JSON with the type 2. Which I changed to Okay, if it's something I did or something else is messing up. How weird. Okay, let's try that probably. Actually, let's. Let's check. So now I have a reference. I just like to finish that because I started yesterday and I like did so many things in between. I just want to, finish that step basically. So main menu. That's not main menu I want. It's a game manager. And we have and of that have gameplay scene dot results. We don't have that. Well, player controller results, and that should be helpful, I guess. That's dot results equal. This is just a dictionary. And result screen. We do have that. And now we can basically update. And actually what I wanna do is, instead of doing that here, I do want to code it directly. So like display. And it's going to be visible true for now. And to do set results. Let's check now. Boom. It stopped. Oh, is it because of the stop? Wait. Okay. Yeah, okay, I got it. So this was a perfect. Yeah, it does. It does play earlier. At least the first few triggers happen like 1 second before it's supposed to. Yeah, just verified. And there's a delay. Not sure if it stays consistently 1 second behind through the. Why is that? I think I may know why. I actually don't know. Let me just add some kind of setting screen. It's not setting screen. Track editor. So, which text label? There. With some position offset, I guess. That's this one. That minus 100 and minus plus 50. And, ooh. And it's going to be the time. Time text, well, time label. Which text label? And every frame we are going to update that. Process that text equals equals music, yeah. Game play scene music manager get current music time and to a string. So here we go. Yeah, it becomes negative, so that's fine. That should be fine. So I don't know why it's happening. What if I press now? 13. From Roller Jam to Brackeys Jam. I say Roller Jam. Yeah. Evan. Hey! Evan! It's been a while. Yeah, there's... Okay. The ultimate traitor. What? What do you mean? Yeah, I'm just honest. I'm just an ally of jams in general. But yeah, Asura is better. Well, the Asura jam was good. I liked it. Because it was a solo jam, right? I guess. And with the Dodom there, it's not. How is it going? It's going well, thanks. What about you? I'm making a recent game for the Brackeys, so this is supposed to be how it's kind of going to look like at the end. Yeah, I have an artist this time. Big change. Cute. Yeah. I also have a sound designer, as you could hear, and like very talented people, I think. And yeah. So I kinda look at all of that. Oh, what was that? Okay, Ta. Oh, thanks for the follow. And yeah, I can't wait to have that into the game. But I gotta wait for some placeholders and stuff. Because right now there is no art in the game at all. Just a lot of placeholders. And... and what? And yeah, and right now I just have a little problem. Because it's a recent game, as I said. And I can... Well, as you could see, I can, play a little bit. But to help synchronize the beats with the music, I made a track editor. And anyways, hi, hello, nice to see a good developer. I'm learning something. I love it. Oh, I have subscribed also to a YouTube channel. Oh, thanks. Yeah, there are not a lot of people on my YouTube channel, but I'm planning to one day make videos. I do have to make them, but yeah, maybe a video about jams and stuff. But I realized I really procrastinate editing videos, and I don't really like that. Like, it's very time consuming, and for me at least. And yeah. So yeah, streaming is like a lot easier, and if I can like code in the meantime and produce stuff, well, that's two stones with a bird. Two birds. Birds. That's birds. Just a lot of birds. One stone, two birds. I don't have much time to do game jam, but I like to see and watch other making games. Oh, that's nice. Wait. Yeah, yeah. But yeah, well, you can continue to watch that. And I'm having a bug basically that is kind of complicated. I'm a not developer. Oh, boring work. I dream of game dev life. Oh, what kind of developer are you? Web developer, software developer? What kind of stuff do you do? Time. So yes, the time is correct. Web, must backend, Python, and PHP. Oh, okay. Yeah. Yeah, you're saying it's boring. Yeah, I had a lot of web developers tell me that they hate it. But I guess at least you don't hate it. It just seems boring. Tired. And yeah, the time for game jams. Do you maybe have you tried making a game on the side or something like that? Use Unity and Godot in free time. I have made a few games, nothing important. Oh. Well, you start somewhere, right? You have to start. You have to start somewhere, and I mean, it seems that you already made a few games, so that's great. Good play. If you ever make a game during a game jam or anything like, especially if you can play it in the web, just feel free to tell me during. Well, basically, sometimes I make streams where I play jam games, and give some reviews and some feedback and stuff. So if you want me to play your game at this time, then you can always. But yeah, most of the times it's very crowded and like there is a big list of 100 games to play. That's yeah. Yeah, last time I actually made an Excel. Brackeys. No, it was JTK. Actually, I don't know. But I had a Google Sheet, I mean, with at least 100 entries, I think. Too many. So anyways, I have the time. And there's definitely some problem. A few years ago, I have made a few jam. Oh, was fun also publish a game on Android Play Store. Oh, yeah, you don't really. Yeah, the mobile environment is a bit scary for me. So I'm not sure about doing that, but I'd like to publish on Steam. Because if you want, I also like making documents and I actually put the music back. I do like making documents, and I made, for example, one for marketing for Steam more specifically. And as you can see, you have a lot of pages and a lot of stuff and a lot of links to. So yeah. So yeah, if you join my Discord, you can actually get access to the documents and stuff. And well, I do have some advices for genres, for specific genres and stuff. As you can see. Like puzzle games. No, not this one. Puzzle. This one. Ooh, this is better. Sure, I take a look at Discord. Okay. Welcome in. Anyways. That's it. But yeah, the keys are played too early. I don't know why. Music manager. Can I print that? So like if I record 8. Boom. So this is actually correct. It's like really in the code. Yeah, it's definitely in the code itself. I don't know why. Oh, I think I do know. Next offset is that. Oh, I'm stupid, am I? Yeah. So I have this value next offset in the music editor, right? But I also have, yeah, it's not too, yeah, it's like 1 second, indeed. Oh, gameplay scene, music manager, gameplay scene. It's because of that base offset. That's so stupid. Music manager dots next offset equals minus base offset. And now that should be alright. Now that should be fine. This one. Yeah, I'm sorry, Mr. Sound Designer. 8. Actually didn't see, but I guess it was close enough. So 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. Yeah, okay, that should be good. I think that's good. So the fix is here in gameplay scene. Gameplay scene.gd. I mean, I guess I did modify some stuff. Scripts, what did I modify? Wait, well, yeah, that's comments. I removed a lot of comments. Oh, and I added the game manager. Projected Kudo. Ah. Game manager, well. Added bug fix and delay between cycles and beat fixed. Push. Okay, good. So it took 20 minutes for that. That's not really great. But this is fixed, which is good. And we actually welcome you. Welcome. Welcome, Nick. Can't afford any ideas. Will try my best and hope for the best. Yeah, some people getting demotivated because you know the jam is, well, it's a jam, it's like 1 week time and stuff. But yeah, I mean, in games most of the times you have to cut things. Well, you will always have to cut things. So that's my point of view. There's always going to be too much, but that's why you have to do things in priority, with a priority. And I guess I'm kinda, you know, by practicing making game jams and stuff, well, jam games, I'm practicing seeing priorities and doing things that are the most important first. And yeah, there's something wrong with the start, stop, record, and save. Well, with the buttons. So play, remove the focus, stop, remove, record, remove, save, remove, load, remove. So what's the problem? Maybe there's not any problem, actually. Okay, so, okay. So I guess it's fixed, and now I can set the result screen, which is really great. Yeah, I can set the results now. So let's go into Game Manager. I'm setting the results. and Qt results to int. So this is excellent, great, good, okay, fail. Yeah, let's have some dictionary. So results to label. I wish you good luck with the jam. See you online. Bye, good work. Thanks. Bye bye. See you another time. And thanks for the follow once again. Do dictionary. Yeah, it's just a dictionary. And it's like Qt results to rich text label. The problem is that it doesn't have a name. So maybe I can just get... Don't even know. Okay, I just want to run, well, to loop through that enum. Photo loop enum. You said that as enum. Oh, yeah, never mind. It's an int. So I mean, it's an int. So I can just last. And that means I can... Yeah, I can optimize that too, I guess. And now I can just for I in Qt results last and have results to label. So I dot label which text label and label dot result, well, label dot text equal center I guess I do have the rainbow though, but it's alright. And label. Label. No, not label. Results. So it's actually a digit. Right. And this is results I. So that should be working. I hope. I really hope. So I can even get an example. Never mind. Yeah, you do have to set that, actually, first. So Qt results. That's going to be complicated. It's a... How can I set names? I can't. Let's just put 0. This is an object. And this is even fail, right? This is okay, this is good, this is great, and this is excellent. So now it's been reset now! No, I can't even set that. Oh, because it's not an object, it's a node. Is that it? Object, not path. Okay, I guess it's not path. Is it? It's weird looking. Yeah, I think it's alright. I hope. I really hope. So let's add. Oh, we have 1. Okay, add 2. Good. 3. Great. Yeah, I guess I can just make an array at this point. If I have like... if I have that. Results. Yeah. I mean, yeah, that can just be an array at this point. So it's an array of rich text label. Okay. I do want to see the Qt results. So this is 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 basically. It shouldn't even have to set that, I think. Just setting the first one just in case, but that should be fine. And gameplay scene. Player controller. This is an array of int. Get or add. Yep, because I guess it's a resize. And Qt finished. I guess at the beginning I can just resize. Like ready, just resize Qt result dot last -1. Oh, what's... Oh. Commits. Delay between... Wait, that's me! That's me! Okay. I thought that someone sent something, but nothing, actually. Nothing was sent. So this is actually... So that should be 0 by default, right? Usually null. So default element is 0 for integrals, I hope. So now I should be able to do that, and this is considered as an int, right? Ah! This is not working. Why? Results. Resize. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh. Maybe I don't need the minus. I don't need the minus. Okay. And now result screen. So this is... Why? Why? That's supposed to be an int. Why are you doing that to me? Like results too. Update, please. It's not updating. Why? That's not working. What if I remove that? Am I even in the correct place? Gameplay controller. Fox it. I'm not in the correct place. Yeah, of course it was not going to work. So I have... Fail, no, 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 no. Now we can potentially set. Symmetrical. So when I run, it's actually not set. Okay. So it's already, let's display. And let's try again. Okay, so this is working now. That's good. Yeah, that's working. Hey! That's working. I think that's something important, right? Because yeah, now that we have that, we can basically give scores to the player. But we can give money to the player too. We can make a leaderboard easily. Well, maybe not easily, but we can make it. We can do so many things in the world. So that should be fine. Now I do want to go to the main menu and change scene to file. Okay, instead we are going to access the game manager, start game, and yeah, that's it. So load the gameplay scene. This is the gameplay scene. We return. Then we await, maybe? We can do that. What else? What's happening then? Tree not declared. Yeah, you know what? Let's just keep that. And so we have the results, we display. So yeah, for now the duration is 30 seconds. I can put 10 and we can try that. The main menu. Oh, it's already here. So main menu play. 1, excellent. Fail. Good. Excellent. That's supposed to be over. It's been 10 seconds. Something's wrong. Because we returned. Of course, okay. Of course it was going to be that. Okay. Ha! Two. Great, excellent, good. Okay. And now results. Oh. Wait, what? What do you mean? Wait, what? It's not supposed to be now. Let's try again. What was that? Okay. Great. Excellent. Okay. And now result screen is valid. But the player oh, okay, I get it. It's here. Player controller. That's it. Two. So yeah, now it's working. Two. But there's still the thing in the background. It's still playing in the background. So I probably want to remove that. I mean, I should probably remove that after the results. Because we don't know if there's some kind of latency or... Yeah, display, yeah. Because of the animation and stuff. Good, great, excellent. Okay. Okay, that works for everything, I guess. And now it's stopping the music too. So that's good. Is it going to work even like that? Even if there's nothing inside? I guess it does. And what's that? Let's look at the prints because we have too much. Yeah. So we have the screen results. Game manager, game duration. I mean, yeah, okay, fine. I do need some generation parameters and stuff, but I think I'm just going to put that here. Yep. And what else? I think we have a lot of nice stuff. I mean, we finished this screen. So let's add scripts, let's add the scenes, results screen added. Slowly but surely we are fixing things, making things more pleasant and all of that. So now But this is done. I can make the money. And the money is going to be easy. Maybe. I can put that here, actually. So money can be a float, I guess. That's alright if it is. And player controller. Yeah, there. I guess I'm going to modify it here. On QT finished. I don't know how I'm going to use the items to modify stuff yet. But I guess for now I can just do something like game manager that's money plus equal that. And plus equal QT. That's result. Yeah, that's the amount. So just QT results times money, basically. 20 might be too much, but get it. Maybe 1. Well, 1 QT finished. Oh. Maybe yeah, let's actually only add that at the end. So basically when we, yeah, we have the money. Yeah, I do think it would be nice to see that during the game to see the money, but what if we have, for example, the death key? I actually don't have the Google Drive opened, but yeah. So let's probably put that in the player controller. Anyways. Qt generator. Let's have money. Yeah, I think it's better this way. So it's 0 by default. And we add that times 1, for example. Or like 0.8, I guess. It can be better to have like more numbers and stuff. So money. And at the end of the weight. So there I also have basically money equals that dot money. Well, yeah. Actually, when we load the scene, let's get the player controller and set the money. So we get back the money here. And we can display it. Potentially. Why is it? Okay. Let's put that down. Or maybe in the middle, but push down a little bit. Plus 100. Plus 50. Fit content. 75. What? What? 200s. Get that. Money, blah blah blah. So let's have a reference to that. Which text label? Money label. And money label that text equals that percent %D. And game manager. Yeah, we can just directly access the game manager for this one. I guess I can display the money earned too. Like, display the earned money and the total money. Let's check how it is, I guess, for now. I mean, it's not really... that's not good. Theme. New. Money. Theme. And let's add the rich text label. Let's add default color. This one is going to be green, probably. And it's going to be big. Normal font size. Let's put two. Okay, that's maybe a bit too much. Maybe like that. Maybe like that. So now the money should be good. Yeah. Okay, so make shop items and other things. I'm probably going to have to go to sleep, so include this. Yeah, it's starting to be a bit late, and I have to do stuff during the day. But I have most things. I just need the shop, but I guess I do have to make the tooltip and the effects of the items and stuff, but that should be alright. I hope. So let's see how it is. I guess I halfway there. I guess I did do a lot of long things, and now I still have a lot of tasks, but that should be shorter to make. So yeah, I'm going to finish here. Yeah, looks good. Money added, and here we go. And that's it. And let's just raid someone now and let's call it a day. I'm just getting spammed because of myself. Oh. So whoop. Brackeys. I'm only one. Okay. We do. Oh, Arimus. Wait.
There. You just realize you're gonna have to find a way to
Listen.
use the random cards from the quests. Oh, interesting. Yeah, because you can't sack them, can you?
Yeah, oh, is it actually streaming? It is streaming, yeah. I do want to raid someone that is a bit less popular. Even if, you know. They know, yeah. I mean, they know. Yeah, of course, I'm gonna raid him.
By the way, you can modify them with animations and act and repeat and not. So, and then in Godot, it's actually very easy. The good option to make animations, as I understand, is just to have the actual animatable, whatever it is. I forgot how the child node.
Animation player.
Animated tree. Animation player.
Yeah.
I guess then you create a new animation here, and then you
do stuff.
Kind of add the sprite here.
Wait, what?
You can add the sprite.
Yeah, it's a yeah.
And because this is a sprite, you can add a sprite.
Yeah.
Then you can have an offset.
Yeah. And you set the index basically.
I don't care about it. Animation.
Anyways.
So say that 25.
And
then I can.
Thanks for joining.
Track, I can actually add.
Well, thanks for watching and bye bye everyone.